Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make this look, which is much easier than it looks. And it doesn't really look all that difficult to begin with, I guess. In any case, so yeah, all that's needed is some nail polishes, a striping brush and some dotting tools, or whatever you want to use as dotting tool. You could also use like a toothpick or a pencil, whatever has sort of a point like a dotting tool, I guess, would work. So yeah, let's get started. I'm starting out with this nail polish by Playboy. It's called Isabella. It's just a really kind of brownish metal color. Yeah, whenever I buy new nail polishes, I usually just want to use those. So there's like 2 more left in that set, but one of them is a glitter nail polish, so I'm probably not going to use that as a base color, but there's also a black one in it. So I'll probably think of something to do with that one next week. But yeah, right now I'm just going to apply 2 layers of this nail polish. And then move on to the nail art. And then it's time for the second layer. Okay, I don't really have any idea of what nail art I'm going to do yet. Yeah, this is usually the case when I'm filming. In any case, I'm just going to make some silver stripes first using Icy Princess by Essence. And just putting some of that on a piece of paper. And then I'll just make some stripes with it, I guess. I'm just doing the same pattern on each nail this time, because, well, as I said, I have no idea what exactly I'm going to do yet. But I'm just going to make 2 lines on each nail first. Okay, I just decided to also put some dots on it. So I'm using the biggest dotting tool that I have. And I'm just making some dots on the empty side of the nail. Just however much will fit on the nail. And then I'm moving on to the next color. Okay, I also want to use a dark red color, but I don't think it will show up very much on this nail polish. So I'm going to start out with this coral nail polish by Miss Sporty. Which I don't think has a name because I can't find any name on it. And I'm just starting out with the large dotting tool again. And just putting some dots between the lines. And I'm also going to put some dots between the big dots. Okay. Okay, seeing as it's almost impossible not to go over the silver part, I'm just going to use the same Essence nail polish again. And the same striping tool. And just going to go over the silver lines again. Where the coral color, oops, has went over them. And I should not put my hand on the little piece of paper with all the nail polish on it. Oh, and do wait with this until the nail polish is really dry, like the coral one I mean. Because otherwise they'll mix together and it just won't look completely good, I guess. Okay, that's done. And then it's time to move on to the dark red color that I wanted to use, which is Torrid by Rimmel, sort of red brownish shimmery color. I really like it. And for this part I'm going to use a really tiny dotting tool, this one. And, well, actually the other one, this one. It's a 2-sided one. Yeah, and I'm just going to start out with putting dots between the dots that are between the silver lines. And then I'm going to put some dots in the center of the coral dots. Okay. And then I'm moving on to the really tiny side of the dotting tool. And I'm just going to put a dot in the center of each of the larger dots right here. And then lastly I'm just going to make a really thin line of dots alongside the outer edge of the silver line. Just because I think that makes it stand out a bit more. And that's it. And then it's time to apply some top coat. I'm still using the Catrice Gel-Like top coat, even though the bottle is kind of going empty. So yeah, it's really important to really wait until everything has properly dried, because otherwise the top coat might drag out the dots and that would be, you know, kind of sad. So yeah. Okay, so this is the finished look. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye! And then I'm going to give the flower some extra sparkle with this silver and red glitter nail polish, also by Playboy. And again